What if your dad finds your burp compilation? Well, I don't have a burp compilation yet, so he's not gonna find that. Burp compilation yet? Compilation yet? Compilation yet? Yes. What? You guys are going crazy over my thighs. Everybody, calm down. Jesus Christ. Wait, I almost removed my swear counter. Alright. Like, oh my god, you were so mean to me. And now you're asking me to play. You're asking me how to play the game. Huh. I don't really listen to that much ASMR unless it's like the ones that are actually used for sleeping, the one with like the fuzzy noises, the one that has like no, it doesn't have the burping, sorry. Suck my nuts! I did it! Yay! Yay! I keep burping too much. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Metroidvania. I'm gonna read it out loud right here, right now. Ender Lilies, Hollow Knight, Tower and Sword of Succubus, Lost Ruins, Midnight Castle Succubus, Castle in the Clouds, Rigor the Flodos, War, Metal Unit, Skull, Gensokyo Night Festival, Moa Astray, Pico Pico, Ori and the Will of the Wisp, Karayan, Minoria, Reventure, Control Ultimate Edition. Wait, this isn't Metroidvania! Toho Luna Knights, Blasphemous, Shanti, Bloodstained Ritual, Ritual of the Night, Dead Cells, Rebirth. Wait, what the fuck did you say? Virgil is really the darkest of VTuber. Shut up. Buzzine, Ritual of the Night, Dead Cells, Pharaoh Rebirth, Mamadora, Rabi Ribi, Ori in the Blind Forest, Shanti and the Pirate's Curse, Odalus the Dark Call, Dreaming Sarah, Sultan Sanctuary. Oh, my dad played Sultan Sanctuary, that's why I played it. Shanti Rescues Revenge, Out There Somewhere, Ori in the Blind Forest, Shanti, Half Genie Hero Fez, Hellia, Harat of the Dead Rabbit, Fortune Summoners, Boys. Those are Metroidvania games I have currently. I don't know what, did it even say Katana Zero here? Well, Katana isn't really a Metroidvania, I think. I have Katana Zero too. What's need? What's need? Yeah, I do make very excellent burps if I do say so myself. Has anyone made a burping compilation video yet? No, and I hope they haven't. Every day I search on YouTube, Virgil burping compilation, and nothing shows up, and I just have a sigh of relief. I'm just like, ah, oh, people still have some dignity in this world. Maybe this world wasn't so bad after all.